Many people like to live in big city because there are many advantages. For big city have more job opportunity. People can work in company, have hurry, job official, and earn more money. Second, there are many good schools, university, and hospitals so people can get better education and health. Can big city also have modern transportation, shopping center, and entertainment purposes. However, living in big city also have some disadvantages. There are too many people, so the city is often crowded. Traffic jam, pain, every there are incidents along trying to travel in addition. Air pollution and noise pollution can affect people. Later cost of living is also very high. Thank you.